Ayodhya, the most wonderful place on the earth, Lord Rama's birthplace. So, this is the place where Lord Rama and Mother Sita used to live. It's a palace. Still now, we can feel the presence of Lord and Holy Mother. And again, this is another wonderful place, Dasarath Mahal, where Dasarath Maharaj used to live, Lord Rama's father. He's a wonderful tapasvi, a rishi, a great king. Bhagirath Maharaj, who did tapas and brought Mother Gangaji. So Dasratha Maharaja did lot of tapas, and he goes to Tirupulani near Rameshwaram, and he asked Lord Vishnu Bhagavan that, Lord, you should come as my own son. So he has such a powerful tapas. He did a powerful tapas. So Lord Rama comes to the Mother Earth, Vishnu Bhagavan's avatara. So he is a great tapasvi, and lot of secrets are there. So every pregnant lady should, parents, they should pray that they should have a godly goddesses in their own womb, and they should have a son and daughter like god goddesses. There's a proof. And the our wonderful, most wonderful devotee, Lord Hanumanji. So there's a big temple where n number of people, they come and worship Lord Hanumanji. So when they all came back from Lanka, then Lord Rama resolves from the Avatara Rupa, and all the Hanumanji stayed back in Ayodhya. Now also you can see lot and lot of Hanumanji, nook and corner of Ayodhya, every street, every house, lot of Hanumanji you can see, and they're very playful, they're worshipped, and they're very friendly. So Hanumanji's presence we can see now also. He becomes Siranjeevi, and the Vanaras, the entire Vanara, their team, still you can see in Ayodhya, and you can see a lot of devotion, a lot of prayers, a lot of worship, lot of Hanuman Chalisa keeps on going. And here it's very unique. Their breakfast, lunch, dinner. So it's a lot of sweet shops. So they have love to have a lot of sweets. So they offer all god goddesses, and they take it as a prasadam, as a food, and they take away, take home, and they distribute to their neighbors and friends. So very delicious sweets, pure ghee sweets are available. You should taste it. And this is the again wonderful place. They are going to construct a amazing temple, very big temple in Ayodhya. So photo and video is not allowed in that particular place, but here they allow us to take. So these are the structures, the pillars are ready now. So now the basement is almost ready. So after it get proper structure, then this pillars will go there, and amazing wonderful temple will be coming up. So each and every pillar with lot of artwork you can see, and this is a small model, and this you can see lot of bricks. So it came from all over the globe. Saffron flag, the lamp, and bricks, and the final work is going on, the final structures, the art and culture. We can see a lot of hard work, very minute work, very sensitive work, and they are from Rajasthan. They are doing a wonderful work. and in and around you can see lot of god goddesses, and this is a wonderful place where all devotees are provided free food, so anyone can walk in and have annadanam, so they can have free food, chapati, buri, rice, sabji, dal, everything, full food, full meals are provided. And you can see a lot of god goddesses structures are there in and around nook and corner of Ayodhya. Vishwarupa Darshan, Mother Kali Ma, Hanumanji with Lord Rama, Mother Sita, Shiv Parvati, Ganesh ji, Vishnu Bhagwan with Mother Lakshmi ji, and historical events are there. Rishi sages are worshipped here. And again, this is very heart touching place. You can see lakhs and lakhs of books, notes. It's like a mountain, right? And when you go near and see inside, what is that? All Ram Sita, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram. So, in and around of Ayodhya, the villagers, the devotees, sages, they keep writing Sita Ram, Sita Ram. So they chant, they write, and they live with Lord Rama, live with Mother Sita in their thoughts, in their action, in their breath, and they bring here, and it's a Valmiki Bhavan, so then they offer, and this is a Chardham temple. So if four dham in one place you can see. So Rameshwar Bhagavan, Lord Shiva's temple, you can see here, and Dwarakadeshwar, and Puri Jagannath, and Badrinath Bhagavan in one amazing palace temple. Take care.